Welcome to Seasoned Shorts. Today, Chef Duey C.K. and his sidekick Peppy the Peppermill are slicing into summer with watermelon wonders. First up, Dewey's got a simple yet refreshing watermelon salad. Start with cubed watermelon, crumble some feta cheese on top, and finish with a sprinkle of mint leaves. Drizzle a bit of balsamic glaze for a gourmet touch. This salad is perfect for barbecues and picnics. Now, did you know that watermelons originated in Africa about 5,000 years ago? They were first cultivated in the Nile Valley, and ancient Egyptians prized them for their high water content. Next, Dewey's blending up a watermelon cooler. Toss watermelon chunks, a squeeze of lime, a few mint leaves, and some ice into a blender. Voila, a refreshing drink to beat the summer heat. Peppy chimes in with a fun fact. Watermelons are about 92% water, making them a perfect hydrating snack for hot days. Lastly, Dewey shows how to make watermelon popsicles. Puree watermelon, strain the juice and pour it into popsicle molds. Freeze for a few hours, and you have a delicious icy treat. Watermelons are not just tasty, they're packed with vitamins A, B6, and C. So enjoy these watermelon wonders and add a burst of summer to your meals. Thanks for joining Duey C.K. and Peppy in the kitchen. Stay tuned for more tasty tales.